Okay, so how do you calculate the slope of the staircase? Remember, slope of the staircase means just the angle which the stairs making with the horizontal line. And this is also known sometimes by the pitch of the staircase. And remember, pitch or slope must be 25 to 40 degrees. Also, if slope is more than 40 degrees, then ladders are recommended. And ramps are just considered good if slope, or you can say the pitch, is less than 25 degrees. As you can see in the same video, we have some markings on the wall for the staircase. And let's see if the angle or stair is comfortable or not. For the same staircase, we have taken riser is 7 inches, or you can say just the rise equals 7 inches, and tread, or you can say the run, equals 11 inches. Now remember, the slope must be its tangent theta, which means the rise over run. So tangent theta equals the rise divided by the run, or you can say tangent theta equals the rise, which is actually 7 inches, divided by the run, which is actually 11 inches. Now do some maths, like if we need theta, or you can say just the pitch, or you can say just the slope of the staircase, then we need to have tangent inverse of the same ratio. So that means theta equals tangent inverse of the 7 by 11 inches. So theta is now 32.471 degrees, and which is, like you can say, just in the limit and pretty comfortable slope. So this is how you can calculate the slope of the staircase. Hey, if you like these types videos, please hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon so you never miss an update from the engineer boy.